Hello, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today Keung to birthday videos. Oh my god. There is birthday boy. Oh my god. Wow. This looks fantastic by the way. We have a long video too. Yeah. I'm gonna check really quick this video and after checking our different video. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Nice. Keung means Hong Kong, right? Wow. Nice. Oh, this looks perfect. Wow. Gangto. Wow, they're pronouncing like this, huh? Wow. Oh my god. He's so famous, Hong Kong. Oh my god, what is this? What? Wow. He looks like a president. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. He's most famous member, right? In Mirror. Wow. What are they saying? Yay! Oh my god. Happy birthday! Who is this guy? Wow. Wow, this looks great. Bro, this is England? This place? Wow. Oh my god. Who is this guy? I don't know, but this will look good. Wow. Wow. London. Okay, they are in London. Let me check really quick. Wow. Bro, he is so famous every country. What is this? Oh my god. Nice. Wow, what are they saying? Oh my god. He's 25 right now, right? Wow, yeah. Make a wish. Wow, this place is so good. Wow. They're living so much, Keung.
我記得我細個係仲有呢啲巴士嘅，即係左邊呢度係咁嘅樣，一個車頭咁樣。
What's going on there?
Thank you. OK，我抽獎券。咦，佢要食
Bro, they are doing this thing? Oh my ticket? Oh my god.
坐開篷巴士梗係要去上層啦，等我帶你哋上去睇下啦。哇，好正喎呢度！
Wow, what a good city by the way.
哇，好靚好靚好靚。Hello。
Oh my god. They're so cute. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god. King to girls.
溫柔好多溫柔。
Happy birthday to you.
有啲係。
To you. Hi. Wow. Bro. Everyone looking to us. Wow, maybe a 2 car? Wow, this is so looking so perfect, by the way.
Happy birthday，姜濤 Happy birthday，好爽啊！
Wow, bro, there were 2 car. Oh my god.
我呢個人係咁攻擊。
Oh my god. Wow, they're opening one song. Wow. Nah, just kidding.
原來而家等緊佢條橋
Wow.
放翻落嚟，我哋先可以行啊！呢個就係 Tower Bridge。
Wow. What a good city. Oh my god. Keung everywhere.
Happy birthday！
Yeah.
隔開咗啦已經，因為頭先有個交匯處，
Wow.
俾啲車攝晒啊！終於追得翻啦！我哋好似會喺呢一度攞落車喎。
This looks sick.
Hello。
Wow.
Hello。
Hello. Yeah. Man, they are laughing so hard. Keung, oh my god. This is album card or what? Wow, this is sick. Wow. Anyway, guys, if you guys want more about Keung or Mirror, please comment down below. And take care of yourself, guys, and bye bye.